Hello, I'm Mallior Sims. I'm the Holistic Tooth Fairy. I help people heal and prevent tooth decay and gum disease with natural and intuitive strategies. And in this little video, I want to talk about some toothbrush hygiene habits that will help keep you healthy, particularly during this season of the coronavirus pandemic. So the first thing I want to say is hopefully really obvious, but wash your hands before you brush your teeth. So to avoid getting any bacteria or viruses that might be sticking to your hands in your mouth. Okay, so the second thing I want to remind you of is don't share your toothbrush. Your toothbrush is your toothbrush, not your partner's, not your child's, not anyone else in the household, or especially not any visitors that you have. So don't share. Keep your toothbrushes from touching each other as well. So it's not a brilliant idea to keep a whole family's worth of toothbrushes standing up in a cup together, because then they can knock against each other and potentially share bacteria or viruses. So make sure everyone's got their own separate toothbrush holder, whatever that is. Now, the third thing is keep your brush clean. So you can go a long way towards keeping a clean brush by rinsing it thoroughly after you brush and then letting it dry. So never put your toothbrush away in a drawer or a cupboard where there wouldn't be enough airflow for the moisture to dry off the brush, and what that can do is become a nice breeding ground for bacteria. So you can also wash your brush, for example, using hydrogen peroxide solution or a salt water solution, or even some vinegar and water, and just dip your brush and let it sit for a few minutes, maybe 3 or 4 minutes, then rinse it, shake it, and let it dry out. And if you're being very vigilant, you can do that every day, but it's a good idea to do it at least once a week. And the fourth tip I want to give you about a toothbrush hygiene is to change your toothbrush after you've been ill. So whether you've had a mild case of coronavirus, and I'm hoping that nobody watching this is having a severe case of it, but or you've just had the flu or a cold, or something wrong with your digestive system, food poisoning, anything like that, always change to a clean toothbrush as soon as you are better, so that you're not risking reinfecting yourself. So there you go, 4 simple everyday tips for toothbrush hygiene that will help to keep you healthy all of the time. They're all good habits to practice no matter what the context, but I think are especially important and valuable during the coronavirus pandemic. So stay well and healthy, everyone, and remember, you're the boss of your mouth. Bye.